Hey, what's going on? Aaron here. Hope you're doing well. If you're watching this video right now, you might be checking out this app right here called AppKarma. And maybe you're wondering, can you really earn rewards and make money by just playing games, all right? Let's see if this app is legit or is it a big waste of time? How much money can you really make, all right? Now, anytime if you want to get my favorite way to get to up to $10,000 a month, 100% from home, click the link below and I'll share with you my favorite strategy. Now, on this channel, I've reviewed hundreds and hundreds of different ways to make money online. Some of them are really good, some of them are so-so. A lot of them, though, big waste of time. So let's check out AppKarma to see whether this is a good use of your time or a waste of time, or maybe there are better ways to make money online out there, right? Now, AppKarma is actually a very popular get paid to play app. Okay, that means you can download it for free. You can download it from anywhere in the world on your iOS or Android device, and you can start playing games and start winning rewards. So you can get rewards from playing different games, and then they'll give you coins, and you can exchange those coins into either PayPal, cash, or gift cards. Okay. So now, if you come to appkarma.io, you can come here right here and just click on Get AppKarma. And you're going to basically have to download the app. All right, so you can click right here, you can enter your phone number, and then they will send you the notification to actually download the app itself. Now, once you do that, it's going to basically look like this. All right, now there are a few ways to make money. The first way is to actually play games. All right, now they partner with a company called Playtime. Playtime is a very popular gaming application where you can make rewards from just playing games. Now, the cool thing about AppKarma is that they have many different games that you can choose and play from, okay? And the longer that you play the games, the more karma points, they call it, you're going to receive, all right? More karma points, more karma coins, and then you can exchange that into PayPal money or gift cards, and I'll explain a little bit more about how much money you can actually make from the game. So that's one way of making money from AppKarma. Unfortunately, playing games straight up just doesn't give you that much rewards, okay? So unfortunately, Playtime, who they partner with, even though they do pay a little bit more than some of the other GPT apps that I have reviewed out there, which also use Playtime as a backbone for their rewards for playing games, they do pay a little bit more on AppKarma. It's still not that much money, and we'll talk about that in a second, right? Now, the other way that you can make money, and I think it's a better strategy, is to actually do something that they call the promoted offers. Okay, now on the app itself, you can go to a section where you can look at the promoted offers. Now on other apps, it's called downloading paid offers, right? And you can just kind of scroll through and you'll see different applications that you can download. You'll see different games that you can download and play. And every single game or application that you download, they will basically reward you for reaching certain milestones in that particular game or app. All right. So for example, if you were going to download this game right here called Coin Master, all right, they will potentially reward you 1,161 points. But in order to get those points that you can convert into money later on or gift cards, you have to hit certain milestones in that game. All right. So for example, they might say you have to reach level 10 and then we'll give you 100 points. Reach level 30, we'll give you another 400 points, and then reach level 50 or 100 and we'll give you all 1,161 points. Okay. So sometimes these offers will take a little bit of time. It's going to take a bit longer than a few hours. Some of them will take days. Some of them will take weeks for you to hit all of the milestones before you actually get paid out the full amount of coins. So what you'll see with a lot of these promoted offers is that it will take you a little bit longer, but if you reach the milestones, you can get potentially quite a lot of coins, which you can then exchange into real money. All right. So I think the better strategy on AppKarma, along with playing the games, is actually to download some of these offers along the way. Just understand that some of them will take a little bit longer than you think in order for you to actually win those coins, okay? Now, the nice thing about AppKarma as well is that when you download it, you get 300 points straight away, which is quite cool, okay? And you can use that to convert into real cash, okay? Now, let's get down to business. And let's talk a little bit about how much you can actually really make with this particular app. All right. So when you decide to withdraw, and you can go to rewards, right, which is right on the bottom, okay, of your screen, you can download either free gift cards. It depends on where you live in the world. Some countries they will offer Amazon. Some countries they will offer iTunes. Some countries they will offer the Google Play Store, right? And for most countries you can also withdraw into PayPal cash. Now the threshold for PayPal is $3, so it shouldn't take you too long to get to $3. But let's talk about that in a second, okay? Now, how much can you really make from AppKarma? What can you expect? All right. So please understand that AppKarma is a get paid to play type of application, right? So download offers and play video games. Now, unfortunately, with Playtime, and I've reviewed Playtime on a lot of other GPT apps, they just don't pay out that much money, because how much can they really pay you for just playing video games? Because all they're doing is they're just showing ads, okay? So they can't really pay you that much. But on average, if you're playing a game for roughly about an hour, expect to make anywhere from a few cents to maybe 10 or 20 cents for playing for that whole hour. All right, so it's not a lot of money, but remember, it's free and it's global, and you don't really have to do anything. You just have to play the game, enjoy the game, watch a few ads, and they will reward you with a little bit of money for your time spent on the actual game. Okay, now with these downloaded offers, sometimes you can make a lot more money on these downloaded offers, right? The coins equivalent will convert to roughly about a few dollars, sometimes $5, sometimes $10, sometimes $50. It depends on the offer that you download. But also please understand that these offers take a little bit more time and effort for you to get. Okay, so you're not going to be able to complete a lot of the offers in a few minutes or even a few hours. Sometimes it takes days, and sometimes it takes weeks for you to hit some of the very big milestones that are set by these offers. But if you hit them in a few days or a few weeks or whatever, some of them do pay out quite a lot of money. Okay, so you just have to kind of weigh up the pros and cons, right? You know, are you really in it for the money, or are you really here just for fun? Okay, so overall, I would say that if you're playing AppKarma consistently a few hours per day, I mean, you can expect to earn anywhere from, you know, a few cents, you know, to a few dollars, you know, for a few hours of effort, right? So this is not something where it's going to break the bank. You're not going to retire on this. You're not going to get rich playing AppKarma. This is something where you can just, you know, kind of play for fun, play the games, download the offers on a regular basis, and they really do pay out, which is the nice thing. Okay, that's what I like about AppKarma. It is really legit. It's free. It's available on iOS and Android. You can withdraw through PayPal and a few different gift cards depending on where you live in the world. And just for, you know, a little bit of fun, you know, spending some time on the games, playing it, you can really make a little bit of money. Okay, so if you're here to make a lot of money, I don't recommend AppKarma necessarily. But if you want to just get rewarded for playing, you know, games on a regular basis, have fun, download a few offers, then this is certainly a good app. Okay, so if you want to check it out, appkarma.io. All right, now if you're here watching this video, maybe you're looking for a way to make big money. On this channel, I've reviewed hundreds of different strategies to make money online. I've seen the good, the bad, and the ugly, and out of all the good ones, there's one strategy that I love. I use this exact strategy to quit my full-time job in April 2019. I have 5 times my old salary, and if you would like to check it out, this is perfect for beginners. Just click the link below, and I've got a free masterclass you can check out, and you can model this strategy if you want for yourself. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this review of AppKarma. All the best to you and good luck, and I will see you on the next video review. Take care.